Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to take a look at a Husqvarna 272 XP. This is that 72cc 4.4 cubic inch Swedish made chainsaw. This will run up to a 32-inch bar and chain. This one features a 28-inch bar and chain. And it has a sprocket nose Oregon bar and chain. That's a new bar tip. It's got the chisel bit skip tooth chain, and it's got the large falling spike there. And I'll show you a few things on it. Got a working chain brake. It's got that wrap handlebar and a decompression valve right there. Push that in, makes it start easy. Throttle lock. And it runs real well. We'll start it up here in a minute. We'll go out to my log deck now and make a couple cuts.